In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your booking confirmation from Booking.com. Whether you're preparing for an upcoming trip or need a copy of your reservation details for your records, this simple process will guide you through each step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Booking.com account. Head over to the website and enter your credentials in the login fields. Once you're logged in, take a glance towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on this icon to continue. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Bookings and Trips. This section is your gateway to viewing all of your current and past bookings. Now, although I'm using a dummy account for this tutorial and don't have any actual bookings at the moment, I'll walk you through the process as if I did. Even without bookings on my end, the instructions will make sense for you. Once you're in the Bookings and Trips section, you should see a list of all your bookings displayed neatly right there. Your next task is simple. Just find the booking confirmation you want to download, scroll through your reservations until you locate the one you're interested in. After you've found the right booking, you'll want to open the Bookings tab. This will typically give you more detailed information about that particular reservation, including options to manage or modify it if needed. Next to your chosen booking, you'll notice a small icon or button, often represented by 3 dots. This is your tool for exporting the booking details. Click on these 3 dots and a menu with additional actions should pop up. Among the options, you'll see one that says Download PDF Format. Select this option and the system will swiftly generate a PDF file of your booking confirmation. Just like that, you've got what you need. Simply download the document to your device and you're all set. You can now easily save this PDF to your computer, print it out, or have it on hand for whenever you need it. And there you have it. That's exactly how you can download your booking confirmation from Booking.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful guides like this one. Feel free to leave any comments below if you have questions or need further assistance with this process. Thanks for watching and happy travels.